Hello everyone, it's time for a quick check of what this last day of 2016 holds in store for us, and here in the Weather Centre we expect it to be a mostly settled day over the country. For the northern parts of Limpopo, still a fair amount of cloud hanging about for the day. There could still be a few showers lingering in the area, while over the central parts it will be partly cloudy, and as the day heats up, thunder showers will be developing for some areas, but shortly after sunset we expect most of those thunderstorms to start dissipating once again. Along the coastline it will be clear to partly cloudy. We don't expect any rain, and it's going to be a mostly clear and very hot afternoon all across the western interior. Along with those very high temperatures, there are two alerts in place, one of which is an advisory for a heat wave which continues today and into tomorrow over parts of the northern and western Cape, and there is also a warning in place for a high fire danger extending across the western interior of the country for this afternoon. Quick look at the rainfall probability map, and here we see only isolated thunder showers for today for some parts of the central interior, including the Highveld, just touching Gauteng and the Mpumalanga Highveld, down the Drakensberg into parts of the Eastern Cape interior as well, and much of the northwest and the Free State is included within that area. Dry weather extends from the southern lowvelds all across the coastline of the country, and we don't expect any rainfall for the Western Cape today. Quick look at temperatures, and it's going to be a hotter day for the northern parts. Potchefstroom, Pretoria as well as Bombela, all three get to a high of 31 degrees. Hot as well for the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, and extremely hot for some areas over the Eastern Cape interior, while along the coastline it won't be quite as hot thanks to a moderate to fresh northeasterly wind across the area. A choppy easterly to southeasterly swell is expected to get to a height of about 1.5 to 2 meters. Very high temperatures all across the southern interior of the country, many places getting into the low 40s for this afternoon, and once again the coastal areas will be far more pleasant. Temperatures in the high 20s over this area, along with light winds, making for near perfect holiday conditions across this stretch of the coastline. The Northern Cape interior will be very hot once again. Calvinia as well as Daar both getting to a high of 38 degrees. And along the coastline we see temperatures in the mid-20s for Alexander Bay and Lambert's Bay, but heating up as you head southwards. 30 degrees as a maximum for Cape Town, along with the moderate southerly wind over the area. Let's look ahead to New Year's Day, when it's going to remain dry all across the coastline of South Africa as well as for the lowveld. Over the central parts, a few thunder showers possible in places, and it's going to be a mostly hot day across South Africa. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a fantastic New Year's Eve.